In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send Google Drive files by email. So this is very easy. Let's get started. So I'm here in Gmail. This obviously works the most flawlessly in Gmail. So open up Gmail, then go to Compose in the top right-hand corner. Once you've done that, you can then enter in a recipient email, then enter in a subject, then enter in a body if necessary. Now the button that's most important that you're going to be looking for is Insert Files using Drive. Click on that and it will open up this window where you can paste in a Drive URL. But if you're already logged onto Drive using the same email, you can either go to Recent and find a file here, or you can go to My Drive and find any files that you may have in Drive. If you want to upload more than one file, hold down Control on your keyboard and then click the files you want to upload. Then you can see how many are selected. You can either add them as an attachment if the files aren't too big, or you can click Add as Link and they're going to then be added to your email. Once you've added all your files, you can then go ahead and click on Send, and it's going to say someone needs access to these files. So you want to go ahead and change it, and you want to change it here from don't give access if that's what it's on to allow anyone with the link to access as a viewer, or you can allow the person who you're sending the email to access as a viewer, commenter, or editor. So you're sending it to a person, right? You're going to give them access to the files so they can view it. It's going to tell you what files you're giving access to, and you can choose whether you want to share with that specific person as a viewer, commenter, or an editor, or you can share to anyone with the link as a viewer, commenter, or editor. Choose which one you want and then click Send, and then it will send that email with the Google Drive attachments or links. So I hope that video helped you out.